I'm Greg Rempe, Director of Sales here at Ohio Peterbilt, and today we're going to be talking about the 579 Ultraloft. And maybe you're familiar with the 579 model, but there's no better over-the-road tractor than the 579 Ultraloft. You're going to learn all about it today and why you should be getting in this bad boy and making your over-the-road fleet the most efficient and sexy one possible. Let's start in the front. You'll notice right away, even from afar, this is a Peterbilt. How can you tell? Because we have all the shiny chrome and stainless. You got the nice steel plate underneath here. You have the signature 3 bars in the grille, giving it that nice, strong resistance to impact as things might kick up from the road. Obviously, the Peterbilt red oval, of course. Very nice sloped hood to increase fuel efficiency, and of course, as the wind passes over the hood, it goes through the top of the cab there and then shoots right over the trailer. There are 2 different mirror options on the 579. This is actually the original style mirrors that we have here. What's unique to the Peterbilt mirrors, if you will notice, they are not mounted on the door here. They're actually mounted on the pillar. What does that mean to you? That means there's no excessive opening and closing where the mirror is mounted on the door, could potentially become out of adjustment. Stays as is, where is. And then, if you follow me here to the front, everybody's screaming, I want LED, I want LED. Well, good news. The lamps on the 579 Ultraloft now are all LED. And don't worry, there's a heater on the inside of the lighting pod to make sure nothing accumulates, so you have nothing but crystal clear vision as those great LEDs illuminate much better than anything available on the road. Hey, all right, we're back, and we're going to be looking at why this thing is very fuel efficient, because the 579, the Ultraloft, comes with the Epic package. So you'll notice right here in the front bumper, we have this nice molded air fairing right underneath, but it's not just in the front. If you take a look around, everywhere you see white and then separation of white, these are all closed out now. It didn't used to be like that. And then the wheel wells, all this closed out, all reducing wind drag, adding to increased miles per gallon underneath the door here and above the steps. This is all closed out as well, and it runs just like that on the other side of the cab. You can easily access fuel tanks, after treatment systems on the passenger side. On the driver's side, you can access the battery boxes, the other fuel tank, and all you don't need any special tools. You're just going to reach your hands in, click a few tabs, and then everything's just going to gently fold down, give you complete access. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the power plant underneath the hood. And what's really nice about the Peterbilt Meton 3-piece Meton hood is it is a single hand pull. So I don't need to get up on this, like wrench my back and all that. Here we go. I'm not a strong man, by the way. And you can see easily tipping up. And now we have access to the engine compartment. But all of your necessary oils and things that you're going to want to be checking from a maintenance standpoint, all at ground level, all easy to refill. And again, we're looking at a MX-13 engine here. If you're a company that is really weight conscious and you don't need more than 430 horsepower and 1650 torque, you can get its smaller brother, the MX-11, and you'll save even more weight and you'll save even more money. We are offering 3 different trim levels in the 579. We're currently in the Prestige model, but we have a Premier and we also have a Platinum if you would like to ramp it up even a little bit more in creature comfort. Well, hello there. In the back of the Peterbilt 579 Ultraloft, you will find an 80-inch sleeper berth, allowing one person to have limitless amounts of fun and space. Or if you're a team driver, each person can have their own bunk. If you notice here on the right and on the left side, we have upper storage compartments. We also have a place for a microwave or toaster or whatever it is you're using to cook while you're on the road. We have a compartment for all of your hang-up clothes. And then on the bottom, we also have a refrigerator to keep all of your beverages and food cold while you're out on the road. The bottom line is this: the 579 Ultraloft is the leader in the market right now. The most important thing is you get in contact with your 579 sales rep at a Peterbilt dealership near you so we can help put you in one at the best price possible. I'm Greg Rempe. Thanks for joining me for my walk around.